Hello friends, today we are going to start Green's theorem. Before starting this, if you really like our videos, then subscribe the channel, like and share. So today we will start Green's theorem. This is the part of vector integral calculus. In last video we already covered line integral and work done. So using Green's theorem also we can find work done. So what is the statement of Green's theorem? Green's theorem states that consider the closed curve C is closed curve. C is closed curve enclosed an area A. This C is the closed curve enclosed an area A. Let u of xy, v of xy be their first partials. Let u of xy and v of xy are two functions and their first partials are da by u by da by x, da by u by da by y. This means these are the partial derivative of u with respect to x, partial derivative of u with respect to y. Similarly, da by v by da by x, da by v by da by y be continuous and single valued over the region bounded by the curve C, bounded by this closed curve C. Then we can write closed integral over C u dx plus v dy is equal to double integral over a da by v by da by x minus da by u by da by y into dx dy. In vector form is if we take suppose vector field f bar is equal to ui bar plus vj bar, then how we write f bar dot dr bar? So f bar dot dr bar, we know that dr bar is dxi bar plus dyj bar, okay, plus dzk bar, okay. So f bar dot dr bar is nothing but f bar dot dr bar can be written as u dx plus v dy. If we take f bar equal to ui bar plus vj bar, so this closed integral over c u dx plus v dy, we can write this is also closed integral over c f bar dot dr bar is equal to, means if we take f bar equal to this ui bar plus vj bar equal to closed integral over c u dx plus v dy is equal to double integral over a, means how we find integral value of this line integral using Green's theorem, that is double integral over the area A da by v by da by x minus da by u by da by y into dx dy, means from u and v find its partial derivative of u with respect to y, partial derivative of v with respect to x, take subtraction and then evaluate this double integral, then we get the value of this line integral using Green's theorem. So we will take first problem here. Problem is very simple. Evaluate closed integral over c cos y I bar plus x into 1 minus sin y j bar dot dr bar for a closed curve which is given by x square plus y square equal to 1, z equal to 0. So this is the closed curve given a x square plus y square equal to 1, z equal to 0. So x square plus y square equal to 1 is the circle and z equal to 0. Okay. Now here we have to evaluate closed integral over c cos y. देखो यहाँ पर cos y I bar plus x into 1 minus sin y j bar, means if we take suppose f bar is equal to cos y I bar plus x into 1 minus sin y j bar, then we have to evaluate closed integral over c f bar dot dr bar. Therefore close integral over c f bar dot dr bar means जो find करना है हमें वो can be written as close integral over c f bar is given a cos y I bar plus x into 1 minus sin y j bar dot this dr bar. What is dr bar? Dr bar is dx I bar plus dy j bar plus dz k bar होता है, but z क्या है यहाँ पर 0, so dz is also 0. So write down dr bar only dx I bar plus dy j bar. Okay, and if you find dot product of these, so dot product is close integral over c cos y into dx. I bar dot I bar is 1, so cos y dx plus x into 1 minus sin y dy. So this is the dot product. Okay, cos y dx plus x into 1 minus sin y dy. Now we have to find value of this integral c, in where c is x square plus y square equal to, means c is closed curve given is, c is closed curve given is. So how we find value of this integral, means this can, if we equate this with u dx plus v dy, then we can write u and v here. So this is the in the form of Green's theorem is we can find value of this line integral using Green's theorem. So what is u? We will get here u is equal to cos y and v is equal to x into 1 minus sin y. Okay, and we know that using Green's theorem, value of this line integral close integral over c u dx plus v dy is equal to double integral over a dabba v by dabba x minus dabba u by dabba y into dx dy. मीन्स इसके लिए हमें क्या चाहिए? वी वांट dabba v by dabba x dabba u by dabba y. सो u से फाइंड करो dabba u by dabba y. dabba u by dabba y डेरिवेटिव ऑफ cos y आएगा माइनस sin y. ओके, v से फाइंड करो dabba v by dabba x, डेरिवेटिव ऑफ v विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x, x का डेरिवेटिव 1 आएगा एंड दिस 1 माइनस साइन वाई कांस्टेंट होगा, मीन्स उसका डेरिवेटिव आएगा 1 माइनस साइन वाई. नाउ वी वांट दिस सब्सट्रैक्शन dabba v by dabba x minus dabba u by dabba y. So take subtraction, therefore dabba v by dabba x minus dabba u by dabba y is equal to 1 minus sin y minus minus plus sin y. So this is 1. Now by Green's theorem, how we write the value of given integral? Means we have to find value of this integral now, because this integral is equal to this. So by Green's theorem, close integral over c u dx plus v dy is equal to double integral over a dabba v by dabba x minus dabba u by dabba y into dx dy is equal to double integral over a. What is the value of this dabba v by dabba x minus dabba u by dabba y? That is 1. So put here 1 into dx dy. And what is a? C is the curve given a x square plus y square equal to 1. Means C is this closed curve enclosed by the area of this circle x square plus y square equal to 1. So what is this double integral over a dx dy? This is the area of given circle. Given circle है x square plus y square equal to 1 and z equal to 0. So radius of this circle is 1, center is origin, and we know that how we find area of circle using formula pi r square. Pi r square is area of circle, but what is r here? Radius of given circle is 1, so pi into 1 square. So answer is pi. Okay, यही प्रॉब्लम यदि वर्क डन के लिए आया तो कैसे पूछेंगे वो? इफ एफ बार इक्वल टू दिस देन इवैल्यूएट क्लोज इंटीग्रल ओवर सी एफ बार डॉट डी आर बार, और फाइंड क्लोज इन वर्क डन वेयर एफ बार इक्वल टू दिस bounded by the curve x square plus y square equal to 1, z equal to 0. So we can use same method. Okay, then we will take next problem. Problem number 2 is this. Problem number 2 is find the work done in moving a particle once round the ellipse x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1, z equal to 0 under the field of force given by f bar equal to 2x minus y plus z into I bar plus x plus y minus z square into j bar plus 3x minus 2y plus 4z into k bar. Is the field conservative? So when field is conservative, work done is equal to 0. So to find work done here, we will solve this problem using Green's theorem. Without Green's theorem also we can find work done here, but for this problem we can use here Green's theorem. Means we will try this problem using Green's theorem. So we will start the solution of problem number 2. Okay, problem is how to find work done, and we know that formula work done is equal to close integral over c f bar dot dr bar, where f bar is given in problem here, and f bar is this 2x minus y plus z dot dr bar. So we can write direct here 2x minus y plus z into dx आएगा उसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट. ओके, प्लस x plus y minus z square into dy. ओके, प्लस 3x minus 2y plus 4z into dz. ये स्टेप समझ में आई. एफ बार डॉट डी आर बार, एफ बार ए लिया, उसका डॉट प्रोडक्ट डी आर बार से लिया. डी आर बार आता है डी एक्स आई बार प्लस डी वाई जे बार प्लस डी जेड के बार, एंड डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर इज दिस. ओके, नाउ C is the arc of ellipse given is C is the arc of ellipse x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1, z इक्वल टू 0. देखो यहाँ पर z 0 है, z 0 है तो dz क्या आएगा? 0. पहले इसमें पुट करो. ओके, z equal to 0, dz equal to 0, therefore work done, how we write? Work done is equal to close integral over c. Here z, if you put z equal to 0, then this becomes 2x minus y into dx and plus x plus y into dy. okay, and dz is 0, so last term is 0. देखो ये प्रॉब्लम हम डायरेक्ट भी सॉल्व कर सकते हैं यूजिंग पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन ऑफ इलिप्स x स्क्वायर अपॉन 25 प्लस y स्क्वायर अपॉन 16 इक्वल टू 1. ओके, सो x स्क्वायर अपॉन a स्क्वायर प्लस y स्क्वायर अपॉन b स्क्वायर इक्वल टू 1. यदि इलिप्स है तो उसके पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन आएगा x इक्वल टू a cos थीटा, y इक्वल टू b sin थीटा. मीन सिंगल इंटीग्रेशन सॉल्व करने के लिए हमें वन वेरिएबल चाहिए एंड डबल इंटीग्रेशन के लिए टू वेरिएबल चाहिए. तो यहाँ पर देखो x एंड y में इक्वेशन है, इसको सिंगल वेरिएबल में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे? यूजिंग पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन ऑफ इलिप्स, दैट इज x इक्वल टू 5 cos थीटा, y इक्वल टू 4 sin थीटा. उससे dx फाइंड करो, dy फाइंड करो, एंड इलिप्स थीटा वेरीज फ्रॉम 0 to 2 pi. दिस इज वन वे. अनदर वे वी कैन यूज ग्रीन्स थ्योरम हियर बिकॉज दिस इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ क्लोज इंटीग्रल ओवर c u dx plus v dy. okay, so what is u here? u is equal to 2x minus y एंड v इज इक्वल टू x प्लस वाई. ग्रीन्स थ्योरम से सिंपल होता है. u का हम क्या करते हैं? पार्शियल डेरिवेटिव ऑफ u विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y फाइंड करते हैं. डाबा u बाय डाबा y आएगा -1 एंड डाबा v बाय डाबा x आएगा 1. ओके, सो बाय ग्रीन्स थ्योरम here work done is equal to close integral over c u dx plus v dy. means this step can be written as using statement is equal to double integral over a dabba v by dabba x minus dabba u by dabba y into dx dy. Now what is the value of dabba v by dabba x? Put here double integral over a dabba v by dabba x is 1 minus dabba u by dabba y is -1 into dx dy. So this minus minus plus 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 take outside integral, 2 into double integral over a dx dy. okay, and what is this? This is the area of ellipse, that is equal to 2 into area of ellipse. Which ellipse? x square upon 25 plus y square upon 16 equal to 1. यदि आपको एरिया ऑफ इलिप्स का फॉर्मूला पता है डायरेक्ट, वो क्या होता है? 2 into pi AB, where A, B are semi-major and semi-minor axis. So here 25 means 5 square and 16 means 4 square. So x square upon A square plus y square upon B square. So is equal to 2 into pi into A की वैल्यू है 5, B की वैल्यू है 4. ओके, तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 5 into 4 20, 20 into 2 40 pi. ओके, एंड एडिशनल क्वेश्चन है इज f bar is conservative. So when f bar is conservative, if work done is 0, so 40 pi is not equal to 0, and therefore we can say that f bar is not conservative. okay, so this is another way, means this is one way we can find work done using Green's theorem also, और यू कैन सॉल्व दिस प्रॉब्लम विदाउट ग्रीन्स थ्योरम. विदाउट ग्रीन्स थ्योरम सॉल्व करना है तो यहाँ पर आपको क्या करना है? इसके पैरामेट्रिक इक्वेशन यूज करने हैं. x इक्वल टू 5 cos थीटा, y इक्वल टू 4 sin थीटा यूज करो, उससे dx dy फाइंड करो, थीटा का लिमिट 0 to 2 pi करो. लेकिन उससे क्या होता है? इंटीग्रेशन थोड़ा कॉम्प्लिकेटेड आता है. ग्रीन्स थ्योरम से प्रॉब्लम सिंपल हो जाता है. ओके.